back to St. Cloud.
How's everyone doing? Good. I'm doing good too. Now, before I get into all these amazing stars and constellations, is anybody still pretty amazed at what we just saw in those movies? Like how big our universe is, like black holes, just all that stuff. Like, have any of you seen those kinds of things before? No? So, yeah, in books, right? Like, where else do you see those kinds of things? Like, is it made up? Is it like Star Wars, Star Trek? What is this? Well, there's actually been a lot of like research and theories and all this good stuff about that. So it's not too crazy to be thinking about these kinds of things. Now, we see stars, right? So many stars. And if you think about the limits to things, like the limits of these stars, limits of life, and just everything in general like that, there has to be kind of crazy things when you get so far out there, right? Like, let's take this star, for instance. We saw the star, Betelgeuse, right? Now, it's a pretty big star. It said its like radius was out as far as Jupiter, which is pretty far. Like, it encompassed us, Venus, Mercury, Jupiter, Mars, all those planets, and it's just a star. Now, do you remember that big massive nothingness all those stars were going around in the center of our galaxy? They said that was a black hole of billions of like masses of our sun. Now, how in the world can something get that big when like this star right here is maybe a couple hundred, maybe even thousands times our sun? Well, not thousands, but hundreds. And that's millions upon millions of sizes. It's like, wow. Now, they also talked about the evolution of our galaxy. Remember seeing those small and large Magellanic clouds?